All right, new video. We're gonna take a look at Back Bay Fens. That way is towards Back Bay. Back Bay Fens in here. Fenway. This is gonna go towards the MFA. So this isn't a route per se, more about a look at the current layout and maybe some opportunities. So we're gonna work our way through Back Bay Fens towards the MFA. Now there's no signage currently I'm aware of for where bikes are supposed to go, if they're allowed, not allowed. It's very unclear to me. And there's different types of paths in here, some dirt, some concrete or cement. But obviously there's a lot of recreation you can see. I'll give you another look here. That's like the Longwood area in the background. There's actually a couple college softball games going on right now. All right, so here's a way to make your way over to the MFA from the Back Bay Fens area on a bike. We are going to use this bridge. Again, I'm not saying this is a designated route. Hopefully there'll be more of a look on this area. We'll get some clear-cut cycling options. So we're going to go over this bridge and just pay attention. We're going to zoom right up here. And get to this crossing. We're gonna wait. They're both gonna wait for us, actually. Thank you. Cross here onto this nice thick sidewalk patio. And now we're going behind the MFA to a really cool chill spot, actually. Another reason why I wanted to do this video, connect you from the MFA to Back Bay Fens. This is the back side of the MFA, and I'll put the camera back on Fenway area. So two really cool areas to hang out, but they're not really connected all that well. I would argue walking or biking, probably something we could look at improving.